Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I will make the Maltese Ftira. I use sourdough, in Maltese we call it tinsilla. We need flour, water and salt. The Ftira in Malta is very popular. Let's start the recipe. First, I will measure the sourdough. After sourdough, I put the water. I dissolve the sourdough in the water. As you can see, the sourdough is dissolved. We start to put the flour and mix together with the sourdough and water. After I mix the flour with the sourdough and water, I will cover the bowl and I will leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. This is called autolyse. I'm back after 15 minutes and I put the salt and continue to mix. Now I cover and I will leave it for another 15 minutes. I'm back after 15 minutes and I will start to make the first stretch and fold. I cover again and I will leave it for another 15 minutes. We do the second stretch and fold. And we leave it for another 15 minutes. 15 minutes passed, we do the last and the third stretch and fold. I will leave it to rest for another 30 minutes. Now, after 30 minutes, we do lamination. Now, after lamination, we put the dough in a clean container and we leave it for bulk fermentation. Cover and leave it for bulk fermentation. The dough rises about 70%. As you can see, a lot of bubbles in the dough. Now, what we need to do is to put it on the counter. We divide it in two and shape them to make them as a Maltese Ftira. Look how nicely bubbly the dough. I divide the dough in half. I put some flour in the middle and I cut it. I leave the dough for about 10 minutes and we come back to make the final shape. I'm back after 10 minutes and now I will start to shape the Ftira. I will put flour on top. I put some flour on the scraper. I flip over the dough. As you can see from here, it's sticky. We open it. I prepare the plate. I will put rice flour that the dough will not stick. And I start to shape the dough. I will make some tension. I put some flour on my hand to not stick. I put more flour on the top. And I start to roll it. I close it and I place it on the plate. I put more rye flour. And I cover. I prepare the plate. I put the rice flour. I flip it over. I put more rice flour. I close it. And I leave it for about 1 hour and a half. 1 hour and a half passed, and now we start to bake the ftira. Here we have the dough. We put some flour on the top. I score it. And now I put it in the oven. The ftira is ready. Now it's time to cut and fill in with the Maltese tradition ingredients. As ingredients I have pepper goat cheese, pickled onion, tuna, olives, broad beans, capers, tomato paste and olive oil. I start to cut the pepper goat cheese. Next, I cut the pickled onions. All the ingredients are prepared. Now we can start to cut the ftira. Now we start to prepare the ftira with ingredients. First, we put the tomato paste. Next step is to put some olive oil. We put tuna. Pickled onions. Pepper, goat cheese. Broad beans. Olives. And the last, capers. The Ftira is ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, make like, leave a comment below and share with friends. See you in the next video.